In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy trade on Bitget. Full beginner tutorial, step by step. On top of that, I'm also going to show you how to pick the right traders to copy, how to avoid the biggest mistakes that beginners make that cost them money, and how to properly manage your copy trades so you do not get liquidated. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me quickly explain why Bitget is one of the best platforms for copy trading, especially if you are a beginner. First, Bitget has one of the largest and most active copy trading communities in the world. That means you have access to thousands of professional traders with proven track records. More options equal better chances of finding consistent performers. Second, the platform is incredibly beginner-friendly. Everything is laid out clearly, and you do not need to be a chart expert to get started. The interface is clean, fast, and designed for people who want to trade without the complexity. Third, Bitget offers some of the most generous new user bonuses in the industry. We are talking about welcome packs, deposit challenges, exclusive tastes, and earn rewards that can boost your starting capital significantly. I will show you exactly where to find these in just a moment. And finally, Bitget has strong security, low fees, and 24/7 customer support. So whether you are brand new or just looking for a reliable platform, Bitget checks all the boxes. First things first, you need a Bitget account. If you do not have one yet, sign up now using the link I provide below. This will take you directly to the exclusive welcome bonus page. Only by using my link will you unlock the full new user bonus package. Make sure you are creating a fresh account to fully enjoy these bonuses. Once you click the link, you will land on the sign up page. Enter your email or phone number, set a strong password, and complete the quick verification process. It takes less than 2 minutes. The best part? A Bitget does not require heavy KYC verification to get started. You can begin trading almost immediately. However, if you want to unlock higher withdrawal limits and access certain features, you can complete the identity verification later. But for now, you are good to go. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. But before we jump into copy trading, let us make sure your account is funded and ready. Now, here is something you do not want to miss. Bitget has an entire reward section packed with bonuses and perks for new users. Let me show you exactly where to find it and what is available. At the top of your screen, click on Rewards. This will take you to the Rewards Hub where you can see all the active promotions and bonuses. Under the Rewards section, you will see several categories specifically designed for new users. Let me walk you through each one quickly. Welcome Pack. This is your instant bonus just for signing up. Depending on your deposit and trading activity, you can unlock rewards that boost your starting balance. It is basically free money for joining the platform. New user tasks. These are simple actions like making your first deposit, completing your first trade, or enabling two-factor authentication. Each task you complete unlocks additional rewards. Super easy and worth doing right away. Deposit and Trading Challenge. This is where you can earn bonuses based on how much you deposit within a certain time frame. The more you deposit, the bigger the bonus. It is a great way to maximize your starting capital. Exclusive tasks and new earn users only. If you are interested in earning passive income through staking or savings, this section gives you exclusive rates and bonuses that are only available to new users. It is a great way to grow your funds while you learn. Make sure to explore all of these sections and claim everything you are eligible for. These bonuses can seriously boost your account, especially when you are just getting started. All right, now that you have explored the rewards, let us fund your account so you can start copy trading. Click on Wallet in the top menu, then select Deposit. You will be asked which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. I recommend USDT since most copy trading pairs are based on it. Next, select the blockchain network you are sending from. This is very important. Make sure you match the network with the one you are using in your external wallet or exchange. For example, if you are sending USDT via Tron, choose TRC20. If you are using Ethereum, choose ERC20. Once selected, Bitget will generate your deposit address. Copy that address, paste it into your sending wallet, and send a small test amount first to make sure everything works properly. Once your deposit has arrived, your funds will show up in your spot wallet. Now, here's the key step. To use copy trading, your funds need to be in your futures wallet. So click on Transfer, select Spot to Futures, choose USDT as the asset, and enter how much you want to use for copy trading. Confirm the transfer and you are all set. From the home page, hover over Trade, then Copy, and then click the Futures Copy Trading. This will take you straight to the copy trading dashboard where everything happens. Here, you will see a list of top performing traders updated in real time. These are the traders you can follow, and the cool part is when they open a trade, your account does the exact same thing automatically. No need to place orders yourself. It is all synced. Each trader comes with a bunch of useful stats to help you choose wisely. You will see things like their profit, drawdown, and win rate over the last 30 days, their return on investment, the total profit their followers have made, how many people are copying them, and their win rate. If you want more detail or want to compare traders, click on All Traders. That brings up a full list, and from there you can sort by different filters like total, copy, trade-in profit, and loss, which in my opinion is one of the best ways to spot consistent performers. Now, before you copy anyone, there is one important thing you need to know. Copy trading is not 100% free. Each time a trader makes a profit for you, they will take a small percentage, usually around 10 to 15% of the profit. It is called a profit split. So let us say you earn $100 from a trade. The trader keeps $10 or $15 as their cut. Totally fair if you ask me, especially since you did not have to do any of the work. Now let us find someone worth copying. I am going to look for a trader with consistent performance, a solid track record, and followers who have actually made good money copying them. Once you click on a trader's profile, you will get a full overview. You can check out their trade history, see their current open positions, and even look at how well their copiers are doing, which is honestly super useful to know whether they are the real deal. Here's what I look for. First, copier profit. If their followers are not making money, that is a red flag. Even if the trader's own numbers look good, if copiers are losing, skip them immediately. Second, I want to see a smooth equity curve. Big spikes and crashes mean high risk. I prefer steady upward growth. Third, win rate. At least 50 to 60% is ideal. Lower than that means they rely on a few big wins to stay profitable, which is risky. Fourth, trading history. I prefer traders who have been active for at least 1 to 2 months. That shows consistency. And finally, max drawdown. Over 20 to 30% is too risky. You would be down a lot if you were copying them during that period. If everything looks good and you are confident in their stats, just hit the copy button on the right side of their profile, and you are ready to start copying their trades in real time. Now it is time to configure your copy trade settings. Do not worry, I will walk you through everything. First, you will see Equity of Elite Trader at the top. This is where you decide how much USTD you want to allocate to this specific trader. Think of this as your maximum budget for copying their trades. If you are a beginner, I recommend starting small, around 10, 20, 50 to 200 USDT, so you can learn how copy trading works without overexposing your capital. Then below that, make sure Copy All Positions is enabled. This ensures that every new futures trade the Elite Trader opens will automatically be copied to your account. Now let us talk about Equity Guardian. This is a very important risk management feature. Here you can set a maximum loss limit. For example, if you do not want to lose more than 20 USDT, Bitget will automatically stop copying this trader once that loss is reached. This is highly recommended, especially if you are new. Next, turn on auto copy. This allows Bitget to automatically copy new futures trading pairs opened by the Elite Trader, so you don't have to manually update anything. Under copy trading pairs, you will see a long list of USDT pairs. By default, all pairs are selected, which is perfectly fine for most users. You can customize this later if you want to limit exposure to specific coins. Now move down to risk management. Here you can set a stop loss ratio and then a take profit ratio. And lastly is the maximum copy amount per trade. If you are just starting out, it is okay to leave these on default and focus on learning how the system works first. For margin mode and leverage, you will see that it is set to follow trader settings. This means your trades will use the same leverage and margin mode as the Elite Trader. This is usually the best option, especially when copying experienced traders. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Copy. That is it. You are now officially copy trading an Elite Trader on Bitget, and all future trades will be executed automatically based on your settings. Once your copy trade is live, you can keep an eye on everything right from the My Copy Trade section. Here you will see all the traders you are copying, your portfolio performance, current orders, total profit and loss, and your copy trading history. If your trader has not placed any trades yet, do not worry. It might look empty at first, but everything updates in real time as soon as trades go live. So check back from time to time to see how things are going. Now, what if you want to tweak your settings, reduce your risk, or even stop copying a trader altogether? It is super easy. Just head back to the copy trading page, click on My Traders, and next to each trader, you will see an Edit button. Click it and you will be able to adjust your settings like leverage, position size, or risk parameters. Or simply hit Stop Copying if you want to exit and stop following that trader. If you make changes, just hit Confirm, and that is it. Your strategy is now updated. And there you go. Now you know exactly how to use copy trading on Bitget from A to Z. It is honestly one of the easiest ways to get into crypto futures trading, especially if you are not a chart expert or do not have the time to trade actively. Just do not forget to use the link in the description to claim your exclusive bonuses and qualify for all the limited time new user perks. That bonus alone can give your account a great head start. If you want to explore other copy trading platforms as well, I have included some helpful links and tutorials down below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, click the videos popping out on your screen for more videos like this, and drop a comment. Let me know which trader you are planning to copy or how copy trading has worked for you in the past. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.